age niya, just prove to her na, di ba?
Willing ka nga
Are
mag-antay.
you willing to wait? And then when the right times come, I'm still here. Sana hindi ka magbago. We can still be friends for now.
Oh, yeah. Ganun lang yun. Someday baka meron ko bang makita dyan na
Ito naman si Daddy.
mas
Grabe na!
Love is love.
baka hindi pa niya talaga antay. Hindi niya
What happens?
Love is patient.
Love is
Love is
patient.
willing to wait.
Yes.
If you really love someone, prove to her that you are willing
that's
to
it,
wait.
right? That's it.
And don't waste time waiting. I mean, while waiting, you do something to improve yourself. Right?
Yes. Exactly.
Do good in school.
Yes.
I know. I'm just saying what's in my mind.
Luka-luka tong ate niya. Invest ka na ate niya.
Look talaga.